loves, it's Sam. I got some new things from Dior. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little Dior unboxing. Every time you get a package from Dior, you get this beautiful, like, fabulous box that says Dior. It's super nice. They're really sturdy. I like to keep them because they're great for storage. Now through the 29th of February, you can receive a complimentary gift if you use code Dior Magic, and it's DIOR MAGC. That's with a purchase of $125. And then now through the 16th, you'll receive a half moon little pouch. I actually don't know what it looks like. I got a different gift. You'll also get a Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet and Rouge Dior miniatures with any Dior purchase of $175. You also get 2 complimentary samples with any order. All of the lip maximizer shades are engravable, so if you want to gift someone and get their name on it or something like that, you can do that currently on Dior.com. Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet bow embroidery is live on Dior.com. This is how it comes. It's so pretty, and all of the little fluff says Dior as well. It's just so cute. I also got a free gift. Okay, so in that box you get this cute little bag. So it's kind of like, I don't know what color that is. Is that gray? It just has little snaps, and then it just looks like that. It's super cute. So let's open this baby up. I love these boxes. They're so nice and sturdy, and you can keep them to store stuff in. And they look really pretty. Oh, see, this is the fluff I was talking about. You get the little tissue that says Dior, but it's like in little strips. It's so cute. So the first thing I got was the perfume. I'm not really sure how you say this. Is it J'adore or is it J'adore? I'm not sure. So everything comes really beautifully packaged with little stickers. The next thing that came in that set is the J'adore Lace Adorables. I think that's how you say it. It's a body cream. It's massive. It's 150 ml. And I also got the J'adore Les Adorables Shimmering Scrub. These were all free gifts. So I got the little mini size, I'm assuming. I'm gonna open everything up for you guys. I'm just kind of, this is like the first unboxing. Then I got the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl, which I haven't tried yet. This beautiful little bag. And I have no idea what's in here. Okay, so in the bag you get a Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, a Christian Dior Eden Rock perfume, Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, and the color is 001 Pink. How cute is that? It's so tiny. That's so perfect to keep in your purse. The packaging of this perfume is very elegant. It's so beautiful. It just looks like really just expensive, gorgeous. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, they have a new one called J'adore L'Or. I don't know how you say it. It's a solar and intense floral note. Oh my god, I'm excited for that one. Okay, the one that I got is the 3.4 ounce. It is $165. I actually got it as like a little set that they have for Valentine's Day, which I will link below. It says J'adore brings in the most beautiful flowers from around the world in its composition. The floral and fruity notes of the Lang Lang and Turkish Damascus rose essences blend with the rare duo of jasmine grandiflorum from Grasse, oh gosh, I don't know if I'm saying this right, and Indian jasmine sambac that are full of fruity and voluptuous sensuality. So this is what the scrub looks like. And if you get up close, it's actually like a shimmering body scrub. But how gorgeous is that packaging? Like, it's just so elegant. It's a scented body scrub. It says soft and creamy J'adore Les Adorables Shimmering Scrub is a body scrub that exfoliates the skin and enhances it with the pearlescent pigments and 24 karat gold particles. Massaged on, its texture transforms into a delicate scented milky oil that provides comfort to the skin. Its formula infused with cotton extract is respectful of the skin's hydration. Silky and soft, the skin is illuminated and delicately scented with the fresh and floral notes of J'adore all day long. So I actually haven't used this one yet because I have a fresh self-tan and I don't want to ruin it, but once my self-tan starts to come off, I will be using this, and then I'll just have to keep you guys updated. However, I have used the body cream, you guys. The packaging, again, super duper beautiful when you get up close. It's kind of like a little bean or something, isn't it?
Okay, so this is $100. It's infused with jasmine wax and cotton extract, and it's composed of 92% natural origin ingredients. It's rich, it's creamy, it smells amazing, it's so glowy, like it makes your skin look really healthy and dewy and moisturized. It's beautiful. They always give like the best little bags. So this was a free gift. And then I also got as a free gift the J'adore Parfum, I think it's just called Deo or Doe, I'm not really sure. So it looks like this. It's like the white version of the J'adore that I have. So the bottle is so cute. Look how tiny it is, but it's like the white bottle. Oh, okay, so this is an alcohol-free perfume. It's got floral notes. It's got neroli, jasmine sambac, Chinese magnolia. So it's kind of like milky when it comes out on the skin. It's almost like a serum, like an essence. That smells really nice. I don't know if it's the same scent or not. It's slightly different. I don't think it's the exact same as the J'adore. I don't know though. I'm confused because I don't know if they're supposed to be the same or not. This is perfect because I can keep this in my bag. The Eden Rock, I actually mixed today with the J'adore. It says salty olfactory notes, as if one took a dive into the Mediterranean Sea, and that's exactly what it smells like. It's a woody floral fragrance. It's got white flowers, marine notes, and aromatic accords. Basically, it smells amazing. Very salty, very beachy, like it just smells like summer to me. Eden Rock is gorgeous. So I've mixed them both together today. I do have like a ton of really beautiful sets right now. So they have like a blooming bouquet one. They've got all sorts of different ones. This is really beautiful. It's just a super like elegant, clean, kind of like, it's like a clean floral. I'm not getting a whole lot of fruit personally for me. It's like very clean and very floral and very elegant. It's one of those scents where like you're gonna smell good, but you're not gonna smell like you're like wearing anything like too much, you know? Like it's very subtle and very just kind of like, wow, she's clean kind of thing, do you know? Don't forget, everything will be linked down below. I'm actually gonna pop this in my bag, my little purse. What do I got? I'm gonna take this, my little Dior, oh, how cute is this? The Maximizer. And then I'm also gonna take the Dior Eden Rock, since that's what I smell like today. And that's gonna be right in my bag. They're so tiny. Like that lip gloss is so perfect. Look at that. That's so good. I hope you guys all have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.